Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Hostinger hosting. The first thing I want you to do is log into Namecheap, and then I want you to go ahead and click on your domain, click here on manage. And then what I want you to do is click here on sharing and transfer and scroll all the way down here. You'll see transfer out. Make sure this is not locked. So this one is right now on a domain lock. As you can see, it's on. Click here to unlock it. And then what will happen is once you turn this off and unlock it, they'll send you an authentication code to your email. And the whole process to transfer it takes up to 5 days to complete. So go ahead and copy this domain, go here to Hostinger, and then what I want you to do is just come right here, click on domains, click here on transfer domain, and then go ahead and paste in the domain you want to transfer. And this will cost $9.99. As you can see, you need to go ahead and unlock it and provide the authorization code. So click here on transfer, and once it is unlocked, then you just go ahead and pay that amount and then enter the authorization code and it will be transferred. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.